Exited Empire beneficiaries will soon smile because they are about to receive long-awaited exit package soon. The exited Empire beneficiaries batch A and B will soon be given an exited package. This was made known by the Minister of Humanitarian Affairs and Social Development. The minister in charge of Empire and other social investment programs said that all exited Empire beneficiaries are entitled to the package. The beneficiaries that will benefit from exit package will be those that are active. The beneficiaries who successfully filled the exit form will be considered first. All exited Empire beneficiaries are by this information asked not to pay to any individual or organizations to benefit from this exit package because all qualified beneficiaries will receive their own soon. This exit package is free from government and you should not pay to anybody. Also, all exited Empire beneficiaries should note, Also, all exited Empire beneficiaries should note that the federal government has engaged 5,000 independent monitors for Empire cash transfer programs and others. All beneficiaries are asked to be careful and avoid any form of malpractice. Oh, my viewers are told me that is it. Important information to all exited Empire beneficiaries. As it is, beneficiaries will soon smile to the bank because they are about to receive the long-awaited exit package from the federal government. Yes, you will recall that we have made series of reports regarding the exit of Empire batches A and B in July when they were actually exited from the Empire program without exit package. And as I speak with you now, the federal government is set to release funds or rather exit package to all the affected batches A and B Empire volunteers, those that are active in the program and those that actually filled their details regarding the exit portal that was open last year in November or December or so. And then as it is now, according to the Minister of Humanitarian Affairs, Disaster Management and Social Development, he said the exit package is for beneficiaries of the Empire program that are active and the beneficiaries who successfully filled the exit forms, those that actually registered on the exit portal will be considered first. And all exited Empire beneficiaries are by this information asked not to pay to any individual or organizations to benefit from this exit package because all qualified beneficiaries will receive their own soon. And this exit package is free from government and you should not pay to any body. That was how the information was actually stated. And the federal government also went further to inform all exited Empire beneficiaries that they should know that federal government has 5,000 independent monitor for Empire cash transfer programs and others. And they also urge incoming batch C and the present beneficiaries of the Empire program not to engage in any form of malpractice and also be careful regarding their stay in the program and thereabouts. Oh, my dear Satome, that is the information that we have for you today. Yes, important information to all exited Empire beneficiaries. Oh, my dear Saturn, please, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please use this opportunity to subscribe. Yes, as you hear our voice now, or as our channel sounds now, please ensure you subscribe to our channel. Yes, look at your screen, or you will see the inscription saying subscribe. Yes, kindly click on it and subscribe to our channel for more updates from Daily Express. Thanks and God bless. Yes, ensure you subscribe to our channel, become one of our subscribers today. Thanks and God bless. As please, yes. And as well too, you can share this report to Empire platforms on Instagram, Telegram, WhatsApp, Facebook, name it. Yes, Empire has platform across all social media platforms, yes, or all social media handles, yes, please do well to share our report like this one to Empower platforms on Instagram, on Telegram, on Facebook, on WhatsApp, yes, and name it. Thanks and God bless Ascara this plea, yes. Or as you also share this to other platforms, you give people the opportunity to be informed, to be well informed as well regarding this information sent in by the federal government to all exited Empower beneficiaries, which states that important information to all exited Empower beneficiaries. So that is it. There's a lot of exited Empower beneficiaries that want to know what is happening in the Empower program, or latest information. So that is why most times we tell you to share a report to Empower platforms on Instagram, on Telegram, on WhatsApp, on Twitter. So do well to share this report. Make it viral to other platforms, Empower platforms on Instagram, on Telegram, on Facebook, on WhatsApp. Yes, share it to other social media handles. Yes, for other Empower volunteers to have a clue of what the federal government is doing regarding their exit package. Thanks and God bless Ascara this plea, and as you help your brothers and sisters, in order for them to access recent informations. Thanks and God bless Ascara this plea. Yes, we will be taking one or two reactions. Then we'll draw the curtain. Yes. The first reaction that we have here is from Pat N. It says noted. Yeah. Another from Samson, it says noted, the Lord is your strength. Yes, noted, the Lord is your strength. Then another reaction from Samson. Samson says please finish with us and move to other programs. Every time talk. Okay, I'm waiting from now to December 21st. And then another reaction from Burutai. We are seriously tired of this woman talk. Burutai says. And then another reaction, Burutai, please let Daily Express answer you. Or be prayerful, or will be fair, or will be well, yeah, or will fall in good places. Yes, be prayerful, or will be well. The exit package will be disbursed soon, and the by C, list will soon be released. So be patient. Yes, and be prayerful to your God as well. Then another reaction from Constance. Yes, Constance Isiodu says, okay, I'm hopeful by God's grace. Amen. Hopeful. I'm hopeful by God's grace. Amen. Says, okay, according to Constance Isiodu. Then another reaction from Anthony Uzoma Unuha. He says that this is audio promise until it is fulfilled. This is audio promise until it is fulfilled. Then another reaction from guest, it says that what of those who have not completed their registration before now? Yes, what of those who have not completed their registration? Or those that have not completed their registration are urged to complete their registration. And if anyone is finding it difficult to apply to complete their registration, they should send their complaints to Empower support team for them to be helped. My dear listener, will draw the curtain. Thanks and God bless. Ensure you subscribe to our channel and share this report to Empower platform.